struggling with twisted chains while crocheting? Let me share some tips to help you achieve the perfect chain. Mastering the chain stitch is essential for any crochet pattern, and with these steps, you'll get it right every time. Step 1. Start with a slip knot. Insert your hook, making sure the knot isn't too tight or too loose. Step 2. Yarn over and pull through the loop to form your first chain. Keep repeating while controlling the tension with your index finger. If the tension is too loose, the stitches or chains become larger or looser and can cause the chain to appear uneven, floppy, and less structured. Loose tension may result in gaps between stitches, making the fabric less sturdy, and overall project may not hold its shape well. And if it is too tight or snug, inserting the hook into the loops will be difficult and leads to uneven work. To prevent twisting, after chaining about 8 to 10 stitches, now I have 80 stitches, drop the hook, insert it into the very first chain you made, then continue crocheting. This helps keep your chain straight. Make sure your tension remains consistent as you go. Let's continue chaining up to 40 or your desired number and see you at the end of our chain. I have reached the 40 chains, and here is our untwisted chain. Check for the right side and wrong side of your chain. Then join it with the slip stitch to the very beginning of the chain. And we are ready to go for round number 1. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out my other videos and leave your questions or tips in the comments below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more crochet tips and tutorials. Happy crocheting!